Hey everyone, again, Josh here. I'm about to head to Nashua to inspect a commercial water damage that we started yesterday. Just want to make sure the team is doing okay and that the customer's happy. But before I head down there, I just want to take a quick opportunity to say why we're so passionate at Soil Away about commercial restoration. It's a very appealing to the rest of the industry for a couple reasons. One is the size of the jobs are typically bigger, and there's sometimes less drama and less personalization to it than, say, a water loss at a home. That to us is very transactional reasons. That's not why commercial work is so important to us at all. For those of you who don't know, Soil Away is a family business. Jack, my father, founded it over 30 years ago. So we have several employees, great employees, that we take a lot of pride in having a part of our family, and it's very personal for us to see them grow and develop and take care of their families, and we look at that as a responsibility, right? To give them that opportunity to succeed, and we love when they take advantage of that. And so we know as business owners, if something was to happen to our business, we would be devastated if we couldn't help our employees, our family, our customers, because something happened to our building or some reason we were taken out of capacity. So with that said, how that applies to you, if something happens to your business, a fire or a flood, we want to get you back up and running because we know the position you're in. We don't want you to lose customers. We don't want you to have to replace your employees or tell them they don't have a place to work because, the building flooded, right? So that's why we put our whole heart into it 24/7, holidays, weekends, nights, everything to get businesses in New Hampshire, Massachusetts, and Maine back up and running quickly.